Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video I just want to cover a very basic overview of cloud security with related to AWS especially. So cloud, as you know, um, it is on demand resources which are utilized over the internet. And now when it comes to cloud, there are shared responsibilities. So there are responsibilities which lies on the cloud provider, and there are responsibilities which lies on the customers or the people who are using the cloud. So that is something to keep in mind when it comes to cloud security. The responsible part, which is with the cloud provider, they are going to secure that. But when it's come to the application, the software, the data, the configuration of the cloud, that is something to be taken care by the customers. And so it's very important to understand cloud security. So there are tons of dozen plus products and services which is present on the AWS cloud, and it's become very daunting, hectic to figure out how do I secure these services and applications and product which are running on the cloud. Well, so the entire cloud security can be summarized into three parts. So these are: number one is your IAM, or Identity Access Management, which deals with identification as well as authorization. So in other words, it is deals with authentication and authorization. So this is a very foundational level security configuration that has to be done on the AWS. And then the next one is the data encryption, or the KMS. So ensuring that your data, your database is encrypted. And then finally, you have the network security part, which is related to VPC, network access control groups, and those configuration related to network security. So if you focus on these three areas, you will be able to secure your data on the cloud. So this is the entire overview of cloud security. So if we go a little bit deeper and we talk about a little bit on the IAM part, so there are various ways to configure your IAM. Um, so one is the IAM policy, IAM groups, roles, and custom roles. So there are various configuration options that is available. Ensure that the access to the AWS resources is controlled to the IAM either through groups or specific roles or custom roles, ensuring that the least privileged access is granted to the individual who with regards to the access, so that they have only access that is related to their job in day-to-day work. They're not providing anything extra and nothing less for what they require to do on the AWS. So this is something to configure these settings when it comes to IAM. And second one is the encryption, ensuring that the keys are rotated, ensuring that the keys are protected and they are stored in secure environment. Specifically recommended is the hardware security model, or HSM. And then the final part is about the network security. So ensuring that there are access been removed from having the AWS or public network, and then ensuring the right access controls which is enabled so as only legitimate people can access it, and ensuring the VPC configuration to ensure unauthorized activity is blocked. So this is all the overview of cloud security when it comes to AWS. And in the subsequent video, we'll dig deeper into each of these entity we'll go into IAM, and then we will speak about the key management, KMS or customer management keys, and then we'll dig into the VPC and network access control. So this was just an overview of what a cloud security overview looks like when it comes to AWS cloud.